update on the BMR control arm bushing rear subframe on RS. Was able to rented this set from AutoZone. So for the do-it-yourselfer, you can do it with this kit. Pressed out the old bearing. It's kind of what you can see. It's got voids in it. You can kind of see through the some of the gaps in there. The new BMR, totally solid. Everything looks good. It was definitely a challenge to get that son of a gun in and out of there, but it's doable for the do-it-yourselfer that likes to do his own work. Not a whole lot of videos out there on how to get that done. Read the instructions from BMR. They did say to take it, you know, there's a flange on this side and a retaining clip on this side. And said take it from the outside in. I assume outside in's going that direction. Who knows, but it's an update, BMR. Cradle bushing.